Connect Academy, the way it evolved. A child can only creatively learn when the mind is free. I remember visiting a psychologist in the year 2001 for a child who was finding it very difficult to cope amongst others. It was then when we realized the need of a psychologist at our school. It has been 19 years today, and Touchwood, our Recharge Center, is doing a wonderful job observing and helping students realize their areas of difficulties and counseling them to overcome those with a lasting solution. Over time, we realized the need of a flexible curriculum for certain children with learning difficulties and guided parents to enroll them in the NIS curriculum. It was definitely not easy for the parents to understand that their child has been diagnosed with a learning difficulty, but their belief in us and knowing that whatever we do will always be for the betterment of their child has helped us develop the students in a better way. So we started testing students right from the age of 3 years as an early intervention to understand if they can achieve their milestones. We also realized that most of the issues got resolved with physiotherapy, occupational and speech therapy, and by working on their finer and gross motor skills. Students were further tested for learning issues and found to have dyslexia, dyscalculia, etc. And we started giving them provisional support. Then came the slow learners who had delayed milestones and learnt at their own pace. That is how Connect Academy, a school for slow learners, came into existence with inclusive education for children to learn as per their mental age and do all the co-curricular activities as per their physical age. And hence, this unique school was awarded as the #1 school in India for slow learners by Education World. Here, they are nurtured, provided with therapy, and given the exposure of the mainstream school all under one roof. We replace the equation of age and grade with skill, potential, and progress. We strictly follow an individual education plan for every child at Connect. We can proudly say that each child at our academy is unique, and we teach the child in the way he can learn. At Connect Academy, we promise to put in all our efforts to enable these children to make them capable and able enough to earn their own living and have a successful and prosperous future. God bless them always.
We always consider children as our family members. To be able to understand them, converse with them, and guide them through their process of development has been an absolute bliss. And all thanks to Ritu ma'am for always being so involved and understanding the need of mental support amongst children. As per our protocol at the school, teachers report about every individual student at the Recharge Center, where our team helps teachers, parents, and students with counseling based on their reports. It was once when child was not ready to cooperate. Then I thought maybe different teaching method, talking to him, will help him a lot. This discussion with Ritu ma'am was a turning point and resulted in a life skill period for all the students from kindergarten to 12th every week. In 2015, we shifted to a campus solely dedicated to the NIOS curriculum, a campus that provided with facilities of therapy, physical activities, and educational curriculum all under one roof. Soon around 2018, Ritu ma'am insisted these children needs exposure of mainstream school as well. Shortly, we introduced Connect Academy at Govardhan campus, where our children academically learn as per the mental progress, but they are involved in all activities and events of the mainstream school, thus making them confident learners. We now have a team of 10 psychologists working at the Recharge Center of all 3 campuses, counseling and nurturing all students, and a team of 12 special need teachers and tie up with a therapist who foster their growth and help them to become confident learners. We also welcome all other schools to provide our facilities for their students as well. We hope that we can soon cater to a large range of learning difficulties and help parents understand the importance of early intervention, diagnosis, and identification of suitable boards for their children. We have never given a thought to just filling classrooms. We have always wanted to provide our differently able student with a life they deserve a little extra. Wisdom High is also working with Mensa India, where we are conducting IQ tests for students and host a nurturing programs to sharpen their skills. Mensans are 2% of world's population who are highly intelligent. They possess the quality of thinking out of the box and are the first ones to be recommended for high order thinking jobs. Extremely proud to have nurtured 199 Mensans from Wisdom High International School. We are blessed to be a part of such versatile school who thinks, cares, and implement only best thing for their children.